Hey, wonderful Amazon shopper. So if you're also as skeptical as I was when I was trying to purchase this Mr. Coffee maker for myself, stay tuned because I'm going to share with you everything about this coffee maker from using this for a while now, so you can easily make up your mind on whether this is right for your need or use or not. And then I also will make a cup of coffee with you so you can see. So before anything else, let me show you how easy it is to operate. It's kind of like self-explanatory. You have these buttons in here that, this one turns it on and off. And you have these other 4 buttons that you can use to brew hot coffee, iced coffee, or just, use the blender, or just, the bottom right corner button is for just pulse. And let me show you the inside of this. As you can see, there are 2 compartments. This one is for coffee compartment. This is the reusable filter that I love. And this is where you put your water in. Very easy to operate. So let's just, you make a cup of coffee with you so you can see, how it works. So I'm just going to pour the water in the water compartment. And then just use this measuring spoon that comes with this, to put the coffee in the coffee compartment. I love it because, you have the space to keep your, the spoon back. See, I'm going to just put it back there so it stays there. I don't lose it. And now you just close the top and you press your button to see. Right now I'm brewing hot coffee, so you just let it brew. So while that one is brewing, let me show you this jug in here. I love this because it comes with all these measurements, so you have a good idea of how much to put of anything. So very easy to use this. And my daughters use this for making milkshakes and frappes. It's very handy and helpful. In this top in here, this also has, like teaspoon and spoon measurements. I don't use this, but you have it in case you want to use it. So that's really also very handy. And it's a really nice size jug. And while the tea is brewing, you cannot use the blending machine. So you can use either to make the coffee or use the blender side. So if you want to use the blender side, your coffee brewing part needs to be stopped. So I'm just going to stop that one and I'm going to turn it back on. And I'll show you, this is, how you turn it on. So if you want to pulse it, you just press the pulse button. So that's how you do it. So I'm just going to keep brewing my coffee. So this is really nice. You can use it for both things. So if you're looking for a great coffee maker for multiple options, you can brew your tea, coffee, hot water. This is highly recommended.